After a 3-year hiatus, federal student loan borrowers need to start paying down those loans.
Loan payments were put on pause during the pandemic as a way to give relief to people as they may have struggled with economic uncertainty. That pause on payments, though, ended October 1st.
News 19's Emily Mosner joins us now in the studio. And Emily, according to NerdWallet, 88% of borrowers didn't even make a payment during the pandemic forbearance. So what do they need to know right now?
Well, that's right, Jerry. The majority of people with federal loans that they took out, they took this time off from paying, but they need to get their plan together for how they're going to start to repay on those loans. Now, the first thing that experts recommend that you do is to log into your federal student aid account. A lot of things could have changed during the 3-year pause, including your loan servicer. So make sure you figure out who you need to be making those payments to and what your new payment amount is. There's also been some changes to payment plan options. A new plan called Saving on Valuable Education, or SAVE, is the newest income-driven payment plan. It calculates your monthly payment amount based on your income and family size. Wafa Orman, an associate professor of economics at the University of Alabama in Huntsville, urges all borrowers to take a look at your payment options.
There is the new income-based repayment program called SAVE that really can reduce people's monthly payments, particularly for those who are earning less than certain levels. Those levels depend on your family size, which is why it's worth looking into it, I think, for everyone. See if you're eligible, see if that can help reduce your payments and make this a little bit easier for you.
Orman says a typical household can expect to pay about 5% of their household income on their loan payment per month. Of course, for some people, after not having to factor in that loan payment for the last 3 years, it could take some adjustment when it comes to their budget. Now, there is a 12-month grace period to help borrowers who may be struggling now that payments are back, but it is recommended that you do make payments during that 12-month period, and if you don't, you won't be at default or at risk of default, and it won't hurt your credit score. However, your interest will accrue whether or not you make payments, so if you don't pay now, just be ready to pay more in the long run. Of course, we have all the information you need to know about student repayment on our website, WHNT.com.